The overall concept is primarily to give all students who come, regardless of their level, the tools to practice safely wherever you go to yoga in the world, to have a good experience here, of course, to practice what would be about 5 to 6 hours a day, and to be able to do things both at home, safely and skillfully, and where appropriate in the office. So we have a broad range of intentions, but they're all folded into a carefully prescribed series of classes over the course of the 4 days. My intention is that yoga should always be accessible to everybody. And I'm particularly keen to help those newcomers to yoga to come through the gateway into the vast field of yoga's potential practices through a safe and sound gateway, so that whatever it is that we learn together will be the foundation stones for your future relationship with yoga, even if we never see each other again. And for those individuals who come to the retreats at Kamalaya who have experience, we approach the yoga asana practice in such a way that there are progressions. There will always be a modification or variation that will be offered to help support the ongoing journey of a more experienced student, but never leaving behind anybody else in the classroom. We have an approach based on principle over posture that is going to really awaken and revitalize an existing student's interest and relationship with yoga, and will give, as I said, newcomers to yoga a really great start.